Welcome to Living Well with Chrystal. Today's workout is about strengthening your glute muscle, the largest muscle in the body. If most of your awakening time is sitting, this workout is not optional, it's a necessity. What makes this workout a killer is you have no resting time unless you press the pause button, and it is all standing, so you can squeeze it in literally anytime and anywhere. You will know how effective it can be with only 5 minutes non-stop workout. Are you ready to take the challenge to feel the burn and build a better butt in just 5 minutes? Leave a comment below with "I did it" after the workout and show me your strengths. Now let's jump in. Get started. First, let's start with the classic squat with modification for 1 minute. We all know what squat is, but let me remind you the proper alignment for the best result. Your feet should parallel to each other. When you squat down, don't let your knees go over your toes. Ideally, keep them right on top of your ankles. Put your weight on your heels, sticking your butt to the back to help you align your knees better. Shoulders down, chest open, back straight. Every time you bend down, sit low until your thighs are parallel to the floor. You should feel the burn right away. Feel easy to do? Bend down lower. If you're up for more challenge, you can do the squat pulse with a faster speed. You will get immediate response from your glute. Challenge yourself to be stronger. It's only 5 minutes. You can do it. Now we're ready to move on to the next move, hip hinge lunge. Right leg to the front, thigh parallel to the floor, knee right on top of the ankle. Back heel in the air, squeeze your butt tight, head to heel one straight line. Circle your hands from the side towards the ceiling. Look up and sit low. Feel your butt is squeezing when you rise up. Very good. Make sure your arms long and back straight. Now it's time for lunge pulse. Leave your hands high over to your head or put your hands on your front knee for better support. Hips square, squeeze your butt tight, strengthening your leg muscles. How are you feeling? Feeling good? Let's move on. The next move is side kick. Bend your supporting right knee. Even though your right leg must be super tired, but let's push through and build some momentum. Keep your hips squared, then raise your left leg to the side to work on your side hip muscles. Start with the slow, steady pace. Time to move on to a faster side kick pulse. 30 seconds. Are you ready for the other side? Let's go. Left leg to the front, back heel up, circle your arms up, squeeze the butt, sit low, arms down and up. Make sure keep your knees right on top of your ankles. Let's move on to the pulses. Keep your butt super engaged and back straight. Are you following the music beat? Let's move on to the next side kick, the right leg. Slightly bend your left leg. Kick your right foot to the side. Steady and slow pace first. Now let's get faster. If your left leg is killing you, simply stand up to release the pressure. But trying to challenge yourself just a little bit more. We're almost done. Let's finish strong. We did it! Oh, my legs, so sore. Let's lunge them out. Right leg, left leg. Now come to center, arms up, bend down from your hips to the floor. Stretch your hamstrings and extend your spine. Relax down there. Stand up. This is the end of the workout. I hope you feel the burn and enjoy this workout. If this is not enough, simply repeat this workout multiple rounds for intensified results, or check out these workouts for more targeted exercise. Subscribe to my channel for weekly workout videos to strengthen, tone, and love your body, no matter how old you are. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I will see you next time. Bye!